Good day, traders. Welcome to the XM Live and welcome all of you who are watching us on YouTube also, guys. So, as you can see today, fast and furious session. This is my third session of the day. All trades that we opened today went in profit. You can see here GBPN, GBP dollar, gold. So, I will just be quick. GBPN, we actually shorted 196.72. We closed our trade. Maybe some of you are still there, guys. You are in big profit. You can protect your trade. I also opened gold short trade exactly where I said 23.72, also in profit. And of course, GBP dollar, guys. Yesterday, now I will probably, let me see. Yes, I'm opening a short trade right now. Although this could be a riskier trade because we will have, guys, CPI later. Just want to tell you that this trade that I will open is riskier because of the CPI, but I will do it. Stop loss will not be very big, guys. I will do with maybe 40, 45 pips stop loss, and this will be the trade before the CPI. Because of that, I'm going with smaller risk, guys, only 0.20 lots here. Right now, selling GBP dollar. We already made very good profits this week, so we can risk from profits. All right. Let's do it. Johnny, how are you?
Hello, Nana. Nice to see you, and also welcome to our friends on YouTube and in the chat. Welcome. Today is a very important day. As you mentioned, we will see a very big volatility. Um, we can say that the yesterday act of the operator was very clear because practically with PPI, even data was higher of expectation. The first reaction was an uptrend of dollar, uptrend of yield of bond. The USA index is going down, but after that they do a more deep analysis, and effectively some component of PPI and also on PC core, that the alternative data that Federal Reserve use will show something different. There are lower cost on, for example, for healthy cost, better. Also, the uptrend of energy and food was not so high, but this data refer to April, and due to the drop of oil, we will see better influence in next month. So the expectation is for today is between 3-4%, 3.6%, the yearly update. And we can say that the key of the data today come from the Powell speech of yesterday, because independent of the data, Powell affirmed in this meeting in Amsterdam of Foreign Banker Association, told that the process to the 2% inflation still need time, but he affirmed that there will be no interest rate hike more. So this is just a question of time. So the operator buys, for example, the technology stock, because if the economy continue to be sustained from this activity, of interest rate hike, it means that the things are good. And so we can also imagine what happens when Federal Reserve will cut the interest rate. So this is the common thought of operator. In this sense, they will continue to buy. So we can expect also today more uptrend on in USA indexes, and of course a drop of dollar index that reflect probably from the 1st of May the totally change of the trend, and of course explain exactly the future of Fed monetary policy that will be dovish. So dollar continue to drop. Maybe today we can expect some hike. So I'm agree with you that we have to take a little care. I have opened a short on dollar yen yesterday that is going very good. I take around 60 pips, and it seems that could continue to drop. Dollar is very weak. Euro dollar also is ready to do very important uptrend. Now we can discuss also about this. On gold, of course, I am a little more, I am a bullish, of course, on gold. Yesterday, I opened a long, take good profit. Uh, it seems that market anticipate essentially the fact that Federal Reserve will cut interest rates. So independent of data, there are no chance to change this situation. In my opinion, unless we see 4%, I think it's quite complicated in this moment to see CPI at 4% could create more problem. But I don't know how do you think, but essentially in Enad, the fact is that Federal Reserve will cut interest rate. Yes or
Yeah, they
yes.
will cut
So
interest
at
rate.
last, market anticipate all.
They will cut interest rate. I will tell you my opinion. Gold is the best market to trade. Honestly, I will just show quickly why I think so and why I think that gold should be traded by every single trader in the world. First of all, last 3 months, 4 months, guys, I was trading mostly gold. This is this account now 275.49% in profit after 2 months already. I made two withdrawals and I'm on the way to make third withdrawal. If I get this account 400 euros more, I will make another withdrawal. When you click on look currency popularity, you can see here gold 45% of my trades in May. When I click on April, we have gold 46% of my trades gold.
Wow.
Yes, look, when we go here March still 18%. Bitcoin was maybe a little bit bigger, but look, gold overall big majority, almost half of my trades between distributed between every is gold. So that's why I say, guys, look at the equity curve. So look, you don't need to trade everything. Just focus on
Few instruments,
specialize on some markets, yes, and then you will be great. My favorite markets are, of course,
the
forex,
Gulf.
but gold is the my favorite definitely, and GBP dollar. I like GBP crosses, yen crosses. My opinion is that you can trade gold both ways. I made yesterday long, today I made short. This is how you trade gold, like the spider, weaving the web from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom. And that's why my nickname was Tarantula. Just go up and down. I don't care where majority is. I just trade.
Spider-Man, you know?
Spider-Man. Yes, exactly, Johnny. Spider-Man. Throw the web. Go up. Go down. Swing. This is it, guys. We don't
Okay.
need to be, I don't know, doctors and magisters of economy to understand how trading works. So basically, look, I have a magister degree, master degree in economy, but to be honest, I use only that knowledge when I need on my panel discussions or some analysis, and that's all. In trading, it doesn't help you. In trading, you can be a carpenter and still have excellent results in trading. So totally different niche of your job, right? So
Of
that's
course.
why it's important that you understand psychology, price action, and look, find your sweet spot. My sweet spot is gold.
I'm agree with you. Well, my skill, is scalping on USA indexes and DAX, Dow, and the
Yes,
report. So we can denominate our session from Fast and Furious from the spider and the wolf, no?
yes, Spider and the Wolf. Yes,
It will be fantastic. So, guys, sorry, we have to do a small introduction, and also you understand that me and another good friend, so it's also beautiful to spend some minutes
yes,
to speak also about in general. Welcome to Ioannis and also Jean in the chat. Guys, any question, you can interrupt us in any moment, of course, so don't worry if you have some specific request. We are at your disposal. Nenad, I would like to start with you, if you want, with the euro dollar, because I would like to to check with you the which chance we can have today with CPI data. As you know, this data will be very important for euro dollar, as the dollar index show a very strong downtrend. We can say that euro dollar is ready to do a super spike. We have assisted yesterday a very important V-shape recovery with super absorption with this big bullish candle. And I would like to understand from your side if you are agree with me that the real target of this uptrend is the April 1st of April level, because this drop of middle of April remain market practically without volume. So my target is around 1.0870, 1.0890. So I don't know if you have the same view or you expect at least a super drop. Which is your view on euro dollar?
Well, to be honest, euro dollar is now bullish. We can see this, although the range is very small. The range is at 52 points per day, which puts euro dollar in the basket of very low volatile currencies. Uh, I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like when currencies are slow because I don't swing. I make intraday trades. I like to take those intraday positions closed and take another trade during the same or next day. However, for euro dollar, it's almost impossible because it's only 52 points of the ATR. So, yes, it's moving
Yeah.
up, Johnny. But look, what I think can happen today. So, let's say that CPI comes better than expected, right? Higher than expected. It means that dollar will strengthen. All those, I think personally that this strength of dollar will be only temporary strength, meaning that it
Hmm.
will last maybe for 10, 15 minutes and then the prices will resume in the predetermined direction, meaning that if gold goes down it will be bought, if euro dollar drops it will be bought, if gbp dollar drops it will be bought.
Yeah.
This is what I think. So CPI, I would vote for a higher CPI because it suits my needs. Why? Because I'm going to buy GBP dollar, euro dollar, gold on a dip, because
Yeah.
that is how the markets are now. They are bullish now. Yes, we can still sell, like I sold gold at higher levels. Maybe euro dollar can be sold also from 0.850. But first, we need to see, that would be ideal, the move down, so we buy. And then later, when it comes, we might try a sell. But if the CPI comes lower than expected, I'm afraid that it will shoot up. Euro dollar will shoot up without retracement. Gold
Yeah.
comes up again. It will not retrace significantly. All these markets against dollar will go higher because dollar will drop and it's weak. Look, dollar yen also. I said yesterday I would never go
Yeah.
long. I said it so many times. I would never ever go long dollar yen. I don't care what majority of traders do here. I am just shorting dollar yen, only short, and I've been short since 152. Every time I saw the opportunity, I shorted. Yesterday it was a great signal to go down. Today it's continuation, so you cannot join because it's already moving down from the yesterday. Yesterday was the main point for dollar yen shorts. Today
Well, again,
just
yes, I take a
yes,
super trade here because if you
exactly.
remember, we spoke about this last week. Now we are waiting. Okay, it was long, but we probably spoke about this, waiting for this level dollar yen on 157 zone, 158
Yes.
could offer a big drop, and essentially today also I expect that dollar yen will continue to drop. Totally agree, and my target here are a little ambitious. 155.30. This is the support of last week uptrend, and
I
probably we
think
can.
it can go even more down.
Yeah, the real target is 154, but of course, guys, if dollar drops strongly, another 100 point pips It's very possible, in my opinion. So
The problem is that if you didn't join yesterday,
no, now
today
it's
there was
difficult.
no, yeah, today there was no chance for joining this move because yesterday we see a clear signal. I actually saw
Yeah.
this, but I thought it could go to 157.27 so I can short. However, this was the signal inside outside and close to 88.6 and then it dropped.